Hi and welcome to Mic Take 3. Today we're going to be looking at the Alpinestars Heat Tech glove. Hey, so as we get started with this video, I know it's very different from the content that you've seen previously on my channel. If you like it, please leave a comment down below if you want to see more of this, because I'll be happy to make some more content just like this. Also, I do like motorcycle and tech on the channel, so I haven't done motorcycle stuff for a very, very long time. So it was overdue. Yeah, so we're going to be talking about the Alpinestars Heat Tech 3 glove, which is this glove right here. So just to go around the hardware of the glove, you've got these kind of hard knuckles for protection. The material is very kind of soft and flexible. It took me a couple weeks to kind of break it in, but I think that's standard for most gear. And then on the palm here, you've got this goat's leather, which typically you see kind of cow's leather, but goat's leather, Alpinestars says, is slightly stronger, slightly tougher for when it comes to abrasions. Hopefully you never have to use it. And then also on the finger here, it supports using it. Well, you can use your smartphone with it, so that's very useful. It's hit or miss just because of the thickness of the glove. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't, but yeah, most of the time it does work quite well. And then the actual tech side of the glove. So this has a 7.4 volt battery to power it, and the heating comes from a copper nickel yarn that is thread through the fingers of the glove. It works really, really well. I don't really have any complaints. I guess the only downside is I wish that the battery would last longer. Also on the Heat Tech 3 and the Heat Tech 5, because there's 3 different variants of the glove. I'll go through the last one in a minute. They don't really have any battery indicators, so if the battery dies, it just dies. So if it's one of those really cold days, you've got it on the highest setting, and then the battery just goes, that's it, you're out of luck. You need to find a charger to charge it up. There is also the Heat Tech 7. So there's 3 different types of gloves you can get. There's the Heat Tech 3, the Heat Tech 5, and the Heat Tech 7. The difference between all of them is that you have a longer cuff. So on the 3, there's quite a shallow cuff, as you can see. There's a longer cuff on the 5, and an even longer cuff and on the 7. The main difference about the 7 is that it's got Bluetooth, so it connects to an app called the Alpinestars Heat Tech app. It's just called Heat Tech app. Basically, you can see your battery life. You can control the temperature straight on the app, which is really useful. That also works with the Alpinestars Heat Tech vest, which I'm wearing right now. I'm going to be doing a review of that as well, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of when that video drops. Also, if you're liking this video, hit the button. It really helps out the channel. Thank you. So yeah, so in terms of the battery life on this, the battery itself, it actually comes with a proprietary connector that plugs into the glove, but when you want to charge it, it has a USB-C connector. So that USB-C, both gloves have their own battery each, and it comes with a Y-shaped cable, USB-C and USB-C, and then the other end is USB-A for you to plug into an adapter. The battery life on the red setting, which is the hottest setting, I found it lasts for about an hour. So again, if you're going to be going on those longer journeys, I probably use the middle setting, just because that will probably last about maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then you're probably getting 2.5 to 3 hours on the lowest setting. But with the lowest setting, I hardly even feel that. It's obviously down to you, down to like your preferences and what the weather's like and so on. I have also found that when it's really cold, and you're doing like 50 miles an hour and up with the glove, and the battery does die, then it gets very cold very fast, so that heat just kind of escapes. So that's basically my review of the Alpinestars Heat Tech glove. Again, please like and subscribe, and hit notification bell to get notified about that Alpinestars Heat Tech vest video when it drops. Thank you for watching, and peace.